Morning, world. Yeah, I know, it's back to work today again. She's actually barking at the banglas walking by. Instant karma for laughing at people. Okay, back to work today. Have a great day, everyone. We're back to the daily grind, if you must call it. It's a dirty word, but grind. How are you, boy? It's been a while. You've been a good boy? Hmm? You've been a good boy? Good boy, Spice. How's everything here? Hmm? How's work? Good boy. Oh, okay. Bye, Spicy. It's Engineer's Breakfast Thursday! Very enthusiastic. Very enthusiastic indeed. Curry peng has no more egg, so here's what we did. Because there's always gonna be an alternative strategy.
Since female I can't really I can't do much research.
What? Okay, bye. We are Nihon Mura, but the queue works very weirdly. Everyone stands very far back from the queue. Yeah, but it's just weird. And then there's a dude with newspaper. So it doesn't make sense. We are here at, oh yay! That's all we're gonna have because we have no money.
I treat you like you.
Yay! Mmm. Mmm. Yum yum.
It's nice.
Okay. The fish skin is not good, by the way. It makes you feel like it's throat killing. So we bought this today, and this came in the mail. Look at that, Blizzard.
Yeah.
It's Blizzard gear.
It's
nice. Okay.
You only got 2 meh? I thought more than that.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh my
wow,
god.
this looks badass actually.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's damn chill.
This is awesome. Woo!
Nice.
Okay.